Hey guys, today is Saturday, December 2nd, 2023, and we're at the Nickelodeon Resort Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. And let's go check out our guest room real quick. This is our room number 223. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Hang on a second. Okay, here's the closet. It's like a big closet. There's some ironing stuff. Iron and an ironing board here. An umbrella back there and some coat hangers. Bathrobes. Okay. And in here is the bathroom. It's got plankton on there from SpongeBob and Sandy's helmet from SpongeBob 2. Oh, hey everybody. Anyway, in the bathroom we got some towels and a sink right here with some soap bottles. I believe those are what it's supposed to be. Coat hanger, or towel hanger I should say. And in here is the shower. Yep, there's a shower. And over here, okay, let's the other way. I got a toilet in here and a trash can. And let's see what else we can see. Hang on a second. Oh, a mirror. Hey everybody. Let's see. Over here we got some coffee making stuff actually, and a couple water bottles. And here's a picture of some sketches from a 1990s Nickelodeon cartoon show called Rocko's Modern Life. Yeah, it was a pretty funny and good show. The guy who is the founder of the show is actually has the same first and last name as my dad. It's pretty interesting. It's just a drawer, empty drawer. And here we got some drawers. Let's see, that's empty. Oh, it's got Lay's chips in here. Sabritas is what they call them down here in Mexico. And in here, we got some, a water bucket, I believe is what it's supposed to be back there. With some water glasses. And in here, we got some chocolate milk and what are these called? Some kind of candy bar it looks like. I can't pronounce the name. And we also got like beer and some water bottles and Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Orange Fanta, and Sprite in there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like this is another closet. Yep. If you can see it, there's some drawers right there. And some pillows and an extra blanket right here. Thinking this is like extra bedroom stuff in here.
It's for the bed that folds out of the wall.
Oh yeah, that's right. And in here we got some more drawers and a safe, if you can see it. And let's see, in here we got the bedroom. We got a telephone right there. And what kind of bed is this, Mom? It's a king bed right here. Cowabunga. That was one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle quotes. Speaking of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, there's some sketches of them right there on a picture. And got a little TV right here with the remote, of course. And what's this? Looks like some kind of alarm clock or something. And here we got another bathroom. We got some sinks, some more soap bottles and tissues, a little plant right there, and water bottles. A scale for weighing yourself, and towels, and for kids, little kids that is, there's a little stool for them to stand on while they do their bathroom routine. And what's that? Oh, it's a hair dryer. Right there. Plankton from SpongeBob in the bubble right there. There's a mirror with the little light up ring around it. Oh, hey everybody. And got a bathtub with towels. And in here we got another shower. Yep, there's another shower. And got another toilet and trash can. Let's see what we got in here. We got a little table right here, which my mom's suitcase is on right now, and a couple of chairs with it. Blimps and slime and games and tunes and laughs. That's all Nickelodeon right there on the pillow. Pillows, I mean. A little couch right here. Another picture right there. An air conditioner. Let's see. Here's another picture with SpongeBob, one of the Paw Patrol characters, one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Dora the Explorer right there. Pulling the strings of a Nickelodeon blimp right there in an old picture. Here's another couch. And another trash can right there. Some tables. And remotes. And a TV. And a chair. A big chair. And let's scoot this out of the way for a second. In here, it's like a fold up bed right here. Yeah, that's really cool. Best day ever, SpongeBob quote. Okay, hang on a second. There's the chair. Little SpongeBob flowers on the window here. Pull this open. There's some pillows with Blue from Blue's Clues, Dora the Explorer, Aang from Avatar The Last Airbender, and Patrick from SpongeBob. There's a couch right there. Some stools. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Are you enjoying this resort so far?
Beautiful.
Cool. There's a chair where my mom's sitting. And this is our swim up pool right here. It's part of our guest room. It's really cool. And there's the beach right there. And a public swimming pool right there. Oh, there's Patrick over there. Patrick statue from SpongeBob. It's jellyfishing. It's a pretty good looking hotel here. Alright, I'll be right back, guys.